Awesome. So welcome to the top 3 Instagram content keys. This is going to be a quick one, but one that you don't want to miss because we are going to show you the 3 main content keys that you need to be mindful of when starting or growing your Instagram account to boost your engagement and boost your reach and to keep people trust and affinity strong and to be able to sell them. So we've got 3 main content keys and a bonus one for you as well. So this is them in symbolic form, and we're going to go through them one by one. And if you can master all 3 of these keys, your content is going to perform incredibly well. So the first one is consistency. You need to have an insanely consistent schedule, which means you will need to post at least a minimum of once a week. You want to be posting more than that, but once again, you want to be modeling what are the successful accounts in your niche doing and post to that schedule. But consistency is key at a regular time and maintain high quality content. If you can do this, then Instagram can trust that they can promote your account further into their marketplace. Because if you're just posting very sporadically, high quality content, low quality content, high quality, low quality, Instagram's going to be more nervous to promote your account to the general public in the discover tabs and in their viral sharing ways, because they know that it's a once-off piece of content and not something that is consistent. So this is probably the biggest one that you can do, is make sure that you are posting as consistently as possible high quality content that Instagram can then rely on you to be doing that and therefore consistently promote your account. So I want to read you this quote by Neil Patel. He says, if you make a habit of posting several times a day and then transition to only a few times a week, you're going to lose followers and generate less engagement per post. This means that the best posting frequency for Instagram is the posting frequency that you can consistently maintain for the rest of your natural life. So this is a really, really good quote, because I want to make sure that you can see, don't post 3 times a day if you can't maintain it. Because Neil Patel has had this experience. He says, basically, the more often you can post, the bigger your account's going to get. But if you can't maintain that schedule, if you can't maintain that habit, then your account is going to eventually die, and Instagram are going to be not focused on promoting your account because they can't depend on you to consistently come up with these high quality content and share that. And once they share it, if you no longer are doing that, then Instagram are going to go on to someone who is and start promoting them. So the second key to your content is posting videos. Now this seems a little bit of not like a key, but more like we should post videos anyway, but I wanted to show you exactly how powerful videos are on Instagram. They get 38% more engagement than images, and they get double the amount of comments than images get. And if you, of course, I always put in here, maintain high quality content, because you don't want to be putting out anything but high quality content out there. But on average, if you can produce videos really quickly, because that's the only downside to videos is the production time. But if you can find or recreate and improve videos really quickly and post them, you're going to get far more engagement than you would on photos, and your account is going to grow much quicker. The trust and the affinity is going to grow much quicker because people can actually see people moving in the photos, and it's much easier to trust them. So there's just a plain video of Speedo of someone swimming through a pool in a Speedo swimsuit. That gets 38% more engagement than any other post on their page, any other photo on their page, because that is just on average how much more engagement videos get. So make sure you're using videos as a big pillar of your content. That is, if you are comfortable creating them, or you can find them on other people's pages. So the third key is to start a conversation. Now this is a very quick and easy key, but you need to do it because it's very powerful. So you need to start a conversation. You can ask a question or an engaging comment in your caption, like, who's out in Vancouver tonight? And then you can continue that conversation by replying to the comments. So this is going to increase your engagement through the roof. People want to see a lot of comments on Instagram posts. So if you're someone in Vancouver, maybe you're a bar in Vancouver, and you put a photo of your bar and said, who's out in Vancouver tonight? people are going to be like, I'm out, I'm going to this place. They're going to answer those questions that you're asking them. So make sure that you can always ask a question in the description of your photo, and then continue that conversation and boost your engagement even further by replying to those comments. Now, the bonus tip, geotags. This is a shocking fact, but there's a 79% higher engagement rate for photos that get posted with geotags. And it's very easy to geotag your photo. When you're about to hit publish, there'll be a add a location place there where you can add the geotag of whatever location you're in. You don't actually have to be in that location too. If you need to add a location that's not near you, totally fine if you want to increase your engagement using this geotag strategy. But make sure you are geotagging your post, especially if you're a local business, or especially if you're a business in a specific country that only operates in that country. Make sure you're tagging that when you post, and you're going to see much higher engagement and much higher success with your Instagram content.